Hello, myself Divyansh Maurya, and this is the demo project of my uh, Aura AI multimodal assistant. It is a multimodal as it takes command from text, audio, and gesture at same time. It have more than 15 modules. It supports the facial recognition and other modules. First, I will run the program, and first it will authorize my face using
Your
facial
volume is
recognition.
muted.
So you can see
Hello, Divyansh.
face authenticated successfully. If my face doesn't appear for more than 30 seconds, up to 30 seconds on the screen, it will automatically ask for the wake up word. Now I will show you how it takes the audio command.
Sorry, I don't know.
For audio command, you just have to tell the commands uh, to the Aura.
Sorry, I don't know how to do that yet.
I will say open Google. Open Google.
Opening Google.
So the Google page has been opened. Now I will go back to my project and I ask open setting.
Setting.
The page has been setting has been opened. Now we'll ask what is the square root of 64? It takes 10
8.
and its answer 8. Now I will ask what play.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Now I will ask something to play on YouTube. I just like that. I will say
Sorry, I don't know how to do that yet.
play Believer on YouTube.
Playing Believer on YouTube.
You can see the page has been opened
Sorry,
of you
I didn't
playing
catch
Believer
that.
song. Now we'll go back to my project and show you how it takes text command. For text command, you just have to paste the command on the terminal. For example, I will show you to send Gmail, send a mail on my ID.
Sorry, I don't know how to do that yet.
I just write the mail and the message of the mail. So you see, I have written
Email
to
has
my
been
email ID
successful.
and Jarvis has sent the email successfully. Now I will show you the mail that
Sorry,
has been
I don't know
sent
how to do
just.
that yet.
So the mail page has been opened and there is a message from Jarvis. You can see I have sent it on
Sorry,
9:36
I
a.m.
didn't catch that.
This is a demo email sent by Aura. Now I will go back to
Sorry,
my
I don't know how to do that.
Aura and show you how it takes the gesture commands. For gestures commands, I have making a system that using left hand you can increase or decrease
Sorry,
volume
I
and
don't know
brightness
how
of the
to do
computer.
that.
That is the system settings of the computer. And using right hand uh you can exit the gesture command by using
Opening
this
setting.
and open various apps. For example, I for 2 fingers I will open the VS
Opening
Code
setting.
just like this. The VS Code has been opened and I also can launch the Spotify app
Opening
using
setting.
my gesture commands. Using 4 fingers, I can open the gesture commands.
Launching Spotify.
So you can see that uh, the Spotify has been opened. So this is the demo video of my Aura AI
Sorry,
multi-model
I
assistant.
didn't catch that.
This looks so. I will close the window and show you how
Sorry,
volume
I
increase and
don't know
decrease,
how to do that
brightness
yet.
increase and decrease using my left hand. So
Sorry, I don't know how to do that yet.
now I will kill the terminal and this is my demo video of the Aura AI multi-model assistant. It can be improved by enhancing it by using the front end and can have multiple upgrades on it. Thank you.